Welcome back to the channel. On this episode, we are still in the earnings season, so we will talk about two stocks. We'll talk about PayPal, the online payment fintech giant, and Starbucks, the coffee giant. PayPal is a payment online giant. They actually missed their EPS, but their revenue is actually 13% year on year. The expected revenue by analysts is 15%. However, they have 9.8 million new account or subscribers. Starbucks, on the other hand, Starbucks revenue is actually 8.18 billion, which is about 21%. The EPS is they actually missed their EPS by 0.08, not significant, but then investors are reacting to that. China stores actually surpasses 5,500. Both of the stocks are trending down pre-market. Starbucks actually closed around 175 as at yesterday. I think pre-market is trading about 140 or so. For Starbucks has actually closed around 98 or 99. It's also trending down to about 96 or so. Let's have a look at the chart to see why both of them, to see what we can get from price action. We know they declare their earnings and they miss. So let's have a look at the chart. We are looking at PayPal. Let's quickly look at some fundamentals on PayPal. PayPal is already down pre-market to 146. It's actually closed 175. They missed their earnings, and PayPal has not really been living up to the hype, living up to expectation. Can we quickly look at this is the financials. Can we start from the income statement? PayPal actually, the revenue, the EPS miss wasn't that much, and the revenue actually was 30% year on year, which they even beat estimate by 30 million. But for such a company, this is not to expected from them. Sales growth 2019, 2020, you see the difference. The sales growth is 22.2%. It's not actually really bad, but for such a company like a fintech like that, like payment system, they are categorized within the technological space. So can we see the balance sheet? I like to see the total liability. Just to be sure they are not taking too much debt than expected. Okay, that's not loading yet. Can we go to the cash flow statement? Let's see if that will come up. I have PayPal in my personal portfolio. We don't have it on any of our fund, but I have it in my personal portfolio, and I'm currently seriously in negative. I added more recently. Okay, now we're looking at the cash flow. I want to see the total free cash flow. That matters a lot. Okay, this is 4.9 million, about 5 million. Okay, can we now see their balance sheet? I hope it will load now. Can we see the balance sheet to see what figures are on their balance sheet? These things that they give you some guidance and all that. On the balance sheet, okay, you can see that from 2016 to date, there's growth, that's been increasing. The short-term investment. Can we see total liability to free cash flow? Total liability exactly. That their total liability is 50 million. So it's not really excessive. It's not excessive, but given the fact that their cash flow is 5 million, so it would take them about 10 years if they actually ask them to pay their debt with the amount in their um, free cash flow. So can we will look at we will drill down on the chart on Momo, to see price actions, what we're expecting, what we'll get more information on that. Let me quickly look at Starbucks here. Just a second. Okay. Okay. Sorry about that. Starbucks also declared their earnings last night, and they actually beat revenue, but slightly missed on their earnings. Starbucks price has been down pre-market to 96. It is actually closed at 98 yesterday. Can we look at some fundamental information? Okay, here it states that the P ratio for Starbucks is 27, the EPS is $3.54, and the market cap is 113 billion. Share outstanding is 1.15 billion. Actually, Starbucks is on my radar, on my watch list. I want to add it to my portfolio. I don't have it yet. I was hoping that I might be able to get it, but I'm not sure I will get it at this price. We are looking at Starbucks on a daily chart. Starbucks actually missed on their EPS, and then their revenue actually wasn't that bad, but for some reason the stock is already down pre-market. Let me quickly draw a resistance that I can see here. Um, okay, the stock was down from actually, let's measure what the stock has lost from recent high is 125 down to this is about 21% so far due to the recent correction, and it's trading below 20-day moving average, 50-day moving average, and 200-day moving average. Yeah, this is just confirm this candle here confirm an uptrend for um, Starbucks. Now, with the earnings miss and and all that, whether they will be able to break this resistance is a different thing. Can we look at weekly chart so we can get a clear picture of it? Wow, on a weekly chart, the same resistance is here as expected. Um, Now, what we can see here is that it's trading below 50-day moving average. The 20-day actually crossed over 50-day moving average. So I'm not expecting anything significant on the upside yet for Starbucks. I actually want to get Starbucks in my portfolio. I don't have it yet. So anything about 83, or this can serve as a support around here might be good, or even below down to about 64. I don't want to sound bearish, but it's a reality. It can happen. Yeah, aside from that, I'm not expecting anything significant. Can we look at the other stuff? PayPal. PayPal has been dismal lately. It has not performed at all. I have PayPal in my personal portfolio, and I can tell you that I am way below. I mean, I am way down on it. Um, I'm down on it. The recent correction. Um, PayPal is appearing to be like a falling knife. Can we look at daily chart? Wow, wow. On a daily chart, it's actually trading below 20-day moving average, 50-day trading below 200-day moving average. This looks like a downward trend. is a downward trend for PayPal. It's like a falling knife. Trust me, you don't want to be here. You don't want to be here. I, I know what I'm going through at the moment. Even though as a value investor, what I'm trying to do is to buy the dip. To go further, I'm going to buy more. But as it is, PayPal might actually be going below, might actually go down as 120 or so. Can we just look at, let me go on the weekly chart again. Yeah. Um, wow, PayPal might actually, if we don't, if PayPal breaks this 200-day moving average, we're looking at around 117, 112. In fact, 88 is a possibility. For PayPal, it's not awesome at all. At all. What else can we say? It's not awesome for anyone that has PayPal like me. You can feel the heat. Trust me, guys. Try to see how you can average down.
Looked at the chart, we have seen where both of them are trending down. We are still in pre-market. Let's wait to see when the market open. Maybe there will be any reversal on the Starbucks. For PayPal, fingers crossed. That's all I can say. He doesn't look good. However, see it as buying opportunity. If you're a value investor that keeping stocks for a long time, just like I am, I will be adding more. I will average down, just because I know that the company is growing, it will grow. The next 2-3 years, my time horizon is within 3 to 5 years. So I will be adding more to my position on PayPal. Thank you for watching this channel. We hope that we have given value to your time. Please call again.